Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. All right, let's begin. First, open TikTok and go to the search page where you see the you may like section. Tap the refresh icon next to it to reload new suggestions. If they do not change, go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap activity center, then choose search history. Tap select in the top right, choose select all, and press delete to clear your history. Next, go back to settings and tap notifications. Scroll to personalize post suggestions and turn the first and third options off. Now go back to the suggestions section, and if suggestions still appear, scroll down and tap help us improve. Select that the suggested searches are not interesting, choose the accounts you do not want, and submit. Finally, force close and reopen TikTok. So that's basically how you can remove TikTok you may like suggestions. And that's it for this video. Thanks.